We're going to start by making a slip knot. So you're going to lay the yarn tail over your fingers, and your pattern says to leave 4 inches of tail. You don't have to get out a tape measure and measure that it's 4 inches. It doesn't have to be exact. You just want a length of tail that is long enough to allow you to weave in your ends, which I will explain later. And so you need to have just a little room to maneuver with it on your crochet. So you don't want anything super short, like you don't want a yarn tail like this, okay? So I just drape it a little bit past my fingers. If it ends up being longer, it's longer. If it's shorter, it should still be pretty fine about that length. I'm going to wrap the working yarn, that's what we call the yarn that's attached to the yarn ball, around my fingers and cross it here at the top. Then I'm going to reach underneath and I'm going to grab that working yarn, the yarn attached to my ball of yarn. I'm going to hold on to the tail. That's the piece, that's the end. And I'm just going to pull everything tight. That makes the slip knot that then I can slide onto my crochet hook.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave us a comment.